Sibelius versus Finale music notation software. Choosing the right notation tool can transform how you compose and arrange music without struggling with complex interfaces. Both Sibelius and Finale offer powerful features but differ in workflow and flexibility. Sibelius and Finale are two leading music notation programs used by composers and arrangers worldwide. The core difference lies in Sibelius's streamlined, user-friendly interface versus Finale's deep customization and detailed control over every musical element. Sibelius is a professional music notation software designed for fast and intuitive score creation. It works by providing a clean, modern interface that simplifies input through mouse, keyboard, or MIDI devices. Sibelius excels in automatic layout adjustments and real-time playback, making it ideal for composers who want quick results without sacrificing quality. Its cloud sharing and collaboration features support teamwork and remote workflows. However, Sibelius can be less flexible for highly detailed engraving compared to its competitors, and some advanced users may find its customization options limited. The software suits musicians, educators, and arrangers who value ease of use, speed, and polished output, especially when working on standard scores and parts. Finale is a comprehensive music notation program known for its powerful customization and engraving precision. It operates through a detailed interface that allows users to control every aspect of notation from note spacing to articulation nuances. Finale supports complex compositions and unconventional notation needs, favored by professionals requiring exact control over score appearance. Its learning curve is steeper, and the interface can feel overwhelming for beginners, but the depth of features is unmatched. Finale also offers extensive plugins and scripting for automation. This software is ideal for composers, arrangers, and publishers who demand full control over their scores and are willing to invest time mastering the program. Comparing Sibelius and Finale reveals a trade-off between usability and control. Sibelius offers a smoother learning curve and faster workflow, perfect for quick score creation and collaboration. Finale, on the other hand, provides unmatched flexibility and engraving detail, suited for complex, customized projects. For example, a film composer needing rapid mock-ups may prefer Sibelius, while a music publisher requiring precise layout control might choose Finale. Sibelius's modern interface and cloud features contrast with Finale's robust traditional tools and scripting capabilities. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether speed and simplicity or deep customization and precision are your priorities. Sibelius is recommended for musicians seeking efficient, user-friendly notation with strong playback and collaboration features, ideal for most composing and arranging needs. Finale is best for professionals who require detailed control over every notation aspect and are comfortable with a steeper learning curve. Both programs excel in different areas, so choosing based on your workflow and project complexity will lead to the best results.